Everybody, Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It is Thursday, the 18th of September, and we're looking at a better day today. The low pressure area that brought clouds, in some cases, some showers and some drizzle yesterday over parts of eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England, has now moved out to the east. It's very weak. And I think we're going to see improving weather conditions today with increasing amounts of sunshine. There's a little bit of leftover low cloudiness around along the coast this morning, but that should go away. We've got some moisture that's coming out of the Caribbean into South Florida and out into the Atlantic. That's an old frontal boundary. We seem to get a lot of old frontal boundaries lately. When they come off the coast, they stall offshore. But being that they're far enough east, it obviously keeps everything away. There is some action as far as some showers and thunderstorms that's back in the plain states, and that's pretty much where it's going to stay. I think our weather for the next 3 or 4 days looks pretty good. Looking at the radars this morning, as I said, you look in the plains, that's where you have showers and thunderstorms. You look in the east, and except for southernmost Florida and down east Maine, where we've got some rain going on there, no precipitation to worry about. So it's, let's call it clouds to sunshine today, and temperatures that will reach the upper 70s and low 80s. And I think we're going to be into the 80s on Friday until a cold front passes. Now, this front's got nothing with it, okay, other than maybe a couple of clouds. You'll hardly notice its passage. The thing that'll happen is that the wind will shift back again to the northeast as the high builds into southeastern Canada over the weekend. So we'll have sunshine for Friday for a good part of the day. Temperatures will get above 80 and maybe even up to about 84 or 5 in some of the warmer spots. And then it's back into the low and middle 70s for Saturday and for Sunday as the high settles along the coast. The onshore flow is going to probably bring in a little bit of moisture in places like the Delmarva Peninsula down through Virginia and North Carolina along the coast. But I think that's where it'll stay, and we should be okay here on Sunday with temperatures in the 70s. A weather front will probably approach on Tuesday or Tuesday night with some showers. Maybe that will wind up being the next chance that we see any rain around here. I just want to really quick take a look at Tropical Storm Gabrielle. It From the standpoint of organization, it looks downright awful here out in the central tropical Atlantic, and that's a good thing because we don't want it to strengthen into a hurricane or any or higher. And I honestly think that this is not going to be any threat to the United States whatsoever. Joe and Joe Weather Show is off today. We'll be back on Sunday.